Hi, this is Sid, and here's my to-do list app for the final assessment. When the app opens, it greets me by name, but this is my first time using the app, so I'll have to enter my name. If I try and go past this message, it just pops back up, asking me to type my name. As you can see, once you type your name, you get a message up top, just asking you what's on your mind. If I press this purple Add New To Do button, it brings me to the screen where, as you can see, there's a title and a description area. If I try saving a to-do without entering anything, it shows an alert. So if I press the green save button here, you can see that an error pops up. This is done using simple form validation and an alert. So I will type my title now. And it's going to be saved in my list. I will now add a couple more titles. Also, if I try saving this without a description, same error message pops up. So I will add a couple more testing to-dos. Oops. And I'll just add a couple more to showcase all the features that I've added. And one last one. As you can see, it's all saved here. So once my to-dos are saved, they come in this scrollable list. If I have a lot of to-dos in this area, it's scrollable, so you can just scroll through it. I've done this using a flat list. So tapping on a task expands it to show the full description and action icons. The green tick marks it as finished and it moves to the bottom of the list. So as you can see, test 1 is at the top. If I click on this green arrow, it automatically moves it to the bottom and marking it as completed. Tapping the orange button, as you can see, there's an orange button now. If it's not completed, it's green, but once it is completed, there's an orange undo button. And if I click on that, it just marks it uncompleted and you're able to mark it completed again. The red button there, as you can see next to the green arrow, just deletes the task. I've done this using an array filter. So if I click on this red bin here, it's gonna just delete the task. Yep, deleted. Okay, as you can see at the top right, there's a button called clear completed. So I'll mark a couple tasks here as completed. As you can see, they're completed. If I click on that clear completed button up top, it gives me this message saying, are you sure you want to delete these messages? And I'm sure, so I'm going to click clear. And as you can see, they're deleted. So the way I've done this is just using an array filter and just alerts. What I'm going to do now is close the app and open it back up to show you that it saves the progress. So once I open the app, it asks for my name, and I've added 2 tasks here as well to test if it saves. I'm going to now reload the app. And as you can see, it's saved everything. The way I've done this is using async storage and using commands. Well, that is it for my app. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for checking it out. Have a good day.